Good afternoon. How are you, everyone? How was your school? Okay, it's okay. Do you have a lot of homework to do or assignments? Oh, do it so that you can finish the studies. 안녕하세요. So, what is your name?
My name is Reka.
Your name is Raika, and how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
You're 14 years old, and then what is your dream?
My dream in life is to become a successful flight attendant.
Oh, to become a successful flight attendant. And what is your hope?
I hope to finish my studies and help my mom.
To finish your studies and help your mom?
Yes.
How many are you in the family?
Five.
Five. And then who's the next? 안녕하세요. What is your name?
Andre.
Your name is Andre, and what grade are you now?
4.
Grade 4. And how old are you, Andre? 8 years old. This is Andre, 8 years old. And what is your dream? To become policeman. To become a policeman. And what is your hope? What is your hope? I hope. I hope.
Suna ba?
Sana. I hope
I hope
I can
you can
finish
finish
my study.
my study.
Oh. How was your school, Andre? Good. Okay. Next. 안녕하세요. What is your name? What? Hi.
Bye-bye.
Kaisley. Kaisley, 안녕하세요, Kaisley. How old are you, Kaisley? 8? 7? 7 siya? 8? 8 years old. And then, what grade are you now? Grade 2. Okay. What is your dream? To become a teacher. Oh, very good. And what is your hope? To finish my studies. That's all. To finish your studies. That's good. 안녕하세요. What is your name? Karil. How old are you, Karil? 6. And what grade are you now? Grade 1? Oh. How was your school, Karil? Good. Good. Are you happy? Say, ito naman. Kamsahamnida. Bye. Bye. Yan na ako sana. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.